Hey Colorado, this is Eddie at RepairZ. We are an electronics repair shop located in Denver. We offer a variety of repairs to most game consoles, tablets, cell phones, and computers. As you can see here, we had this PlayStation 4 come in because it was overheating and it would shut down during gameplay. After we opened it up, we saw what was causing it to overheat. We cleaned it up, added some new thermal paste, and sent it on its way. We are currently offering a $30 discount on all HDMI repairs for game consoles to anyone who could show us that they liked and shared this video in store. If you would like to get a quote on a repair, please give us a call at 720-243-8882 or send us a message on here. We also have mail-in repairs set up. If you would like to mail it in, please click on the link and follow the instructions.